Hey guys, it's Shannon. I'm gonna do a little bit of fall shopping and I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. I haven't done a shop with me. I might have done one a long time ago, like in the very beginning I might have done a shop with me, but I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along and do something a little bit different. And if you guys like these, leave me a comment below and maybe I'll do more. But I'm also gonna hit up Starbucks because the pumpkin spice lattes came out this week and I want to grab one of those while I'm doing my fall shopping. It seems appropriate. So let's go shopping. Alright, I have my pumpkin spice. We're gonna check out and see what's all in the Target dollar spot, which there looks like there's a lot of cute stuff, so let's check it out. So it looks like they're just getting this out. This is what caught my eye right away. Is this garland and these beautiful pumpkins. How cute are these succulent pumpkins? Those are adorable. And I love this little blanket scarf too. I remember these from last year. These pumpkins here. But I didn't get any, so I might have to get a couple this year. Love this navy blue. Cute houses. These would be cute for winter too. So we're gonna check out the Hearth and Hand with Magnolia section. There is a lot of things I want from here. There's a big project coming up and there's so many pieces that I want to add once we get going with that from here. So let's look around. Love these towels. Oh my gosh. They would last 1 week in my house since they're white, but they're gorgeous. Then I am definitely going to give this Magnolia home paint a try, and I'm so excited that Target carries it now. They also have this really cool wallpaper. And something for sure I'm going to be getting are these hardware, like drawer pulls for some upcoming wood projects. So subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming projects I'll be creating. All right, not getting anything today except my Starbucks. Let's head to Hobby Lobby. All right, let's head into Hobby Lobby now. So here's what I love. There's lots of fall, but you could use it all year round. Like some of this buffalo check, some of this black and white things. Even if it says Thankful, I feel like you could still use it all year if you wanted. There's some cute placemats that would be cute for farmhouse. Signs that say gather. So let's find some cute stuff. So I know enamel is really popular right now. This is super cute. It's like a leaf in the enamel that says Fall in Love. There's also Harvest Blessings. There is this really nice enamel Thankful sign. I think this is probably my favorite sign. It's got that grain sack kind of look to it. I like the two-toned colors. It's really pretty. Then of course all of this metal. So of course this could be used year round. You could change out the decor and put leaves in it for fall. Some fir greenery in it for the holidays. This little trough. There's a pumpkin tray. Metal pumpkins. I just love the texture of the metal. And this is just too funny. Oh, good gravy. Look how big this big sign is. That's huge. So I'm really bummed because I came to get a buffalo print rug and I guess they are out already. So I'm totally upset about that. That was definitely on my list and they don't have any more. But this would be so cute on top of it. You could layer your rugs. So there's the Thankful one and the Hello one, and then some more fall looking ones. All right, and then I'm torn. I need a fall wreath. I need a new fall wreath. Do I buy one because there's some really cute ones, or do I make one? Or do I do both? Alright, so if you watched my fall decorate with me, I will link that up in the iCards if you didn't. This is the blanket that is on the couch. I love it. It's soft and it's got a lot of texture to it and it's really inexpensive. It's $15.99 and then it's 40% off. And then I actually bought this scarf. It's a scarf, but I'm actually going to use it as kind of a blanket. Well, it's called a blanket scarf, so yeah, I thought this would be cute for the winter time. So I already bought that, but then there's some other really cute ones. This would be really cute for the winter time too. All right, I did it. I crossed into the Christmas, and I don't want to have a debate about Christmas being out in August or July for that matter. But I will say that I love Christmas as much as I love fall, so it doesn't hurt my feelings to be able to shop for some Christmas before fall is even here. So thumbs up this video if you would like to see me do a Christmas shop with me here at Hobby Lobby in the future. All right, well, back to fall, and I'm actually going to do some more shopping here at Hobby Lobby, so I'm going to end the video here. I hope this video inspired you. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.